Fitinhot Charcoal Grill, Outdoor Grill Companion. Food grade 304 stainless steel, 130 square inches, perfect for barbecue parties of 2 to 4 people. More practical. Rotating grill holder allows easy control of grill heat and easy feeding of charcoal. Heat-resistant handle prevent you from getting burned. Foldable design can be easily pulled into the trunk of a car or even a backpack. Only takes a minute to complete a foolproof assembly. Step 1. Unfold the furnace body and place a front furnace base on it. Step 2. Lock the latch to fix the furnace body and bracket. Step 3. Install the base of the movable grill and lock it with screws. Step 4. Install the furnace frame, lock it with screws. Step 5. Install the movable grill and handles. Step 6. Install the anti-scalding handle and lock it with screws. Step 7. Expand the furnace legs and place a movable bracket and stainless steel grilling grate to complete the installation of the barbecue grill. Move the barbecue grill to the open space. Light the charcoal and start making delicious barbecue. Start a wonderful day of camping and barbecue with family and friends.